Pull up.
Chase aircraft captures the MiG-41's first flight maneuvers.
Welcome to where we build Russia's MiG-41 fighter jet.
Aerospace-grade materials arrive under strict security protocols.
Every titanium billet undergoes rigorous ultrasonic defect inspection. Carbon fiber prepreg is stored at -18 degrees. Aluminum-lithium alloys are tested to destruction for certification. Single crystal superalloys will withstand extreme turbine temperatures.
Complete material traceability is maintained for every MiG-41 airframe.
Classified stealth materials arrive under maximum security protocols.
Verified materials flow to specialized production departments across facility.
Titanium billets heat to 950 degrees for forging.
Precision forging dies create exact structural component shapes.
Forgings cool slowly to prevent internal stress development. Metallurgical analysis confirms proper titanium grain structure development. Certified forgings await precision machining into final components. The wing carry-through transfers to machining for final shaping.
Five-axis CNC centers machine airframe components with micrometer precision.
Titanium carbide tools cut complex bulkhead geometry at high speed. Blue titanium chips indicate optimal cutting temperature control.
Skilled operators monitor real-time machining parameters constantly.
The finished component emerges, rough forging transformed to precision. Coordinate measuring machines verify dimensions to micron accuracy. Skilled technicians hand-finish critical edges and surfaces perfectly. Finished structural components await assembly into MiG-41 airframes. The Composites cleanroom maintains strict environmental control standards. Prepreg material out-time tracking begins upon freezer retrieval.
Automated tape laying places carbon fiber with laser precision.
Complex contours require skilled hand layup techniques. The autoclave cures composites at 180 degrees. The complete cure cycle requires 6 hours of precise control. Cured composites emerge as solid aerospace-grade structures.
Ultrasonic scanning detects any internal composite defects invisibly.
The fuselage assembly hall constructs MiG-41 in 3 sections.
Forward fuselage frames align with laser measurement precision. Automated systems drill and fasten with micrometer precision. The wing carry-through box is the aircraft's structural heart.
Aft fuselage engine mounts require absolute precision alignment.
Forward and center sections mate with sub-millimeter alignment tolerance. Precision sealant application creates fuel-tight structural joints. Forward and center sections mate with sub-millimeter alignment tolerance.
The joined fuselage forms the core of the MiG-41 fighter.
The wing assembly facility produces MiG-41's advanced swept wings. The primary wing spar carries all flight loads to fuselage. Wing ribs create the precise aerodynamic airfoil shape. Composite wing skins are positioned with millimeter precision. Flush fasteners maintain the wing's aerodynamic smoothness.
Leading edges integrate flaps, de-icing, and sensor systems.
Internal wing fuel tanks are sealed completely fuel-tight. The completed wing combines advanced materials and aerodynamics. The classified coating facility applies critical stealth materials.
Surface preparation is critical for stealth coating adhesion.
Radar absorbent sheets reduce the aircraft's radar signature dramatically. Sprayable coatings reach complex surfaces sheets cannot cover. Edge treatments prevent radar reflections from panel gaps.
Canopy coating blocks radar while maintaining pilot visibility.
Anechoic chamber testing verifies stealth coating effectiveness.
The stealth-coated airframe achieves minimal radar visibility.
The engine facility produces MiG-41's advanced turbofan power plants.
Single crystal turbine blades grow from molten superalloy precisely.
5-axis machining creates precise turbine blade airfoil geometry.
Laser drilling creates hundreds of blade cooling holes precisely.
Engine modules are assembled in ultra-clean environments.
The complete engine core unites months of precision manufacturing. Fan module integration completes the engine's primary structure.
Afterburner systems provide MiG-41's exceptional thrust and speed.
Afterburner liners withstand 2,000-degree combustion temperatures.
Fuel spray rings distribute fuel for uniform afterburner combustion.
Variable nozzle pedals control exhaust flow for optimal thrust. Synchronized actuators move all nozzle pedals in perfect coordination. The complete variable nozzle assembly tests through full motion. Afterburner integration completes the engine propulsion system assembly. The complete engine with afterburner awaits testing and installation. The cockpit facility creates the pilot's critical working environment. Advanced multifunction displays replace traditional cockpit instruments.
HOTAS controls put all critical functions at pilot's fingertips. The holographic HUD projects data into the pilot's forward view. Environmental systems maintain pilot survival at extreme altitudes.
Ejection seat rails align perfectly for straight-up seat departure.
The complete cockpit integrates advanced systems for the pilot.
The K-36 ejection seat provides zero-zero escape capability. The Avionics facility integrates MiG-41's advanced electronic brain. Quadruple redundant flight computers ensure fail-safe fly-by-wire control. The mission computer processes billions of calculations per second. High-speed data buses connect all avionics systems digitally.
Laser gyro navigation provides position accuracy without GPS signals.
Encrypted communication systems ensure secure battlefield connectivity.
Electronic warfare systems detect and counter enemy threats actively.
Integrated testing verifies all avionics systems work together perfectly.
Радиолокационная станция производит усовершенствованную систему обнаружения АФАР МиГ-41.
Anechoic chamber testing verifies radar beam performance precisely. The radar array installs precisely in the aircraft's nose.
Sensor fusion combines all inputs into unified tactical picture.
The weapons facility integrates MiG-41's complete armament systems. Weapons bay doors open rapidly, then reseal for stealth. The internal cannon provides close-range combat firepower capability.
Weapons management software provides intuitive automated targeting control.
Loading tests verify all weapons systems function correctly.
The complete weapons bay integrates stealth with combat firepower.
The stealth canopy seals the cockpit while maintaining visibility.
The MiG-41 transfers to the ground testing facility.
Complete Systems Power-Up begins comprehensive ground testing procedures. Flight control surfaces verify full range and redundant operation.
Fuel system testing verifies complete integrity and accurate measurement.
First engine start preparation reaches critical countdown moment.
First engine ignition. The MiG-41 comes alive with power.
Afterburner test unleashes the MiG-41's maximum thrust capability.
Taxi tests verify ground handling before the historic first flight.
First flight day Woblin, the culmination of years of development.
The test pilot signals ready for historic first engine start.
Full afterburner accelerates the MiG-41 toward rotation speed.
Liftoff coolant. The MiG-41 takes flight for the first time ever.
Chase aircraft captures the MiG-41's first flight maneuvers.
The MiG-41 returns from successful first flight for landing.
Perfect touchdown completes the historic maiden flight successfully.
Russia celebrates the birth of its most advanced fighter jet.
That's how Russia's MiG-41 is built for air dominance.
The MiG-41 takes flight, ready for combat operations worldwide.
Chase aircraft captures the MiG-41's first flight maneuvers.